Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dimension webinar. This time we would like to introduce our concentricity fiber concentricity auto tester. Concentricity can not only measure the concentricity of fiber connector after assembly, but also test the concentricity of unassembled fiber connector, bare ferrule and single core ferrule, and the fiber end phase of fiber connector. The assembly position key is marked through adjusting the fiber deflection angle, therefore reducing the loss of the fiber optic connector and greatly improve the overall quality. Concentricity has some remarkable features, including it has high maximum accuracy and high repeatable ability. It has auto exposure, auto focus, auto centering. It can help the operator to mark the key position of the ferrule or fiber connector. It can test both PC and APC connector without changing the fixture. It's easy to use and has excellent vibration resistance. Okay, let's see what concentricity has, and then let's see how it works. Right now, we need to put the one side of the ferrule into the light source, the other side into the fixture, and fix it, like, for example, like this. And then we can see the software interface. The first, we need to select a suitable text task according to IEC criteria. Right now, we select 2.5 mm for the ferrule text. And we can input ID, description for this text, and the file name, and operator information. And right now, we select to save the data and save the report. And we can see when take this button, the option for manual mount focus. But for the show, we will select autofocus or focus. And there's some option for open the data, open report, and the setting for the language, for example, and auto exposure, auto centering, auto exposure. And we can do the maximum, just press the maximum. Measurement can be done within a few seconds. And we can see the test result right here. The key was marked at this position. And we can see the parameters of this ferrule. The grade of the ferrule is B. The concentricity is this ferrule, 0.581, and some other parameters. And that's how it works. Thank you.